Are you looking for how to fix call not sent problem on Android phone? In this video, I show you how to fix call not sent problem on Android phone. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps, then click on three dot menu. Now click on reset app preference, reset, then click on again three dot menu, click on show system app. Now search for phone app, click on phone app, click on storage and cache, clear storage, delete, and tap on force stop, tap on permission, allow all permission, now search again phone, click on phone service, click on storage and cache, click on clear storage, delete, force stop. Now back to home screen. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, call someone. I hope that this method fix call not sent problem on Android phone or call not sent problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.